In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix World of Warcraft error WOW51900319. Now, first thing you want to do is go here and go to Settings, Graphics, enable this option, find the game over here. If you don't see the game here, then you'll have to go to the game folder and select the exe folder. It will look something like this, so you'll select it and then choose high performance. Then you will select on. After that, you'll go here to date and time. So sometimes fixing the date and time can fix your issue. So make sure you have it set correctly. Make sure the time zone is correct, the region. Make sure you set this automatically, turn on, and then click sync now. After you do this, you want to try and see if it fixes your issue. If it doesn't, then just make sure you update your graphics cards drivers by going to NVIDIA. Just make sure you click on download and just update your drivers. And then once you do this, you want to check if it works. If it doesn't, then the last option is to try to uninstall the game and reinstall it. So you can do this by going to either control panel and then find the game over here. You could either find it here or go directly to battle.net and then go to games and just uninstall it from there. And then once you do this, reinstall it and hopefully your issue is fixed.